Am I the only one that didn't know about the DJI Air 3S? Why are there not more people talking about this game changer? Let's dive in. So here's the scoop. The DJI Air 3S is not just any drone, it's the drone. First off, it's equipped with a powerful 1-inch sensor camera that delivers stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second. Your videos will look so crisp, you'll think you're watching a blockbuster movie. But wait, there's more. The Air 3S boasts a whopping 31-minute flight time. That's practically a marathon in drone terms. Plus, with obstacle sensing in 4 directions, you can fly with peace of mind, knowing you're less likely to crash into a tree. Oh, and did I mention the intelligent features? With master shots and focus track, even beginners can capture professional-grade footage. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your backpack. So, if you're serious about aerial videography or just want to have some fun, the DJI Air 3S is your go-to drone. Trust me, every flight is pure joy. Happy flying!